frostbite.
I just started it over. That looks fun. Nadia's looking like right at the camera. She's so pretty. Huh? No. You know we have dead coyotes over there? I mean dead goats over there? Yeah. Huh? Well, none of ours. We're just baiting them for coyotes. They're just like right over there or something. I don't even know where they are anymore. Okay, I should move. Oh, she's so pretty. She.
No. Yeah, scare this thing, huh? What a bitch.
Who's texting you?
You're killing me. I want to get this over with. Stand. Stand, you don't do it. Jesus. Stop. Fine, go this way.
Who is down there? Is that Luke and Trisha? There's like 3 trucks down there. My brother, my papa, and somebody else. Does that rope work pretty good? Is it as good as yours? Is that as good as yours? Oh yeah. Come on, Nadia. This is not pretty.
Enough. Enough. My hands are gonna get frostbite.
You done?
Yeah.